Hello, dear tutor and partner. My name is Dayana Alejandra Casallas Marin. I have 22 years old. I am a student. I am a single. I am a very active person. I like to do sport and travel. And I live in Castilla La Nueva. I will present the situation in the restaurant. Let's start. Hello, may I help you? Yes, I want the steak, please. How would you like it? Rare, medium, or well done? Well done, please. Would you like it with fries or vegetables? Can I have it baked potatoes? Of course. And for you, sir, I want the tuna with rice, please. Would you like to see the your menu? There's no menu. We will both take water. Can I have the bill, please? Of course, sir. Here we have. Can I pay by credit card? I'm sorry, we only admit cash. Okay, the food was delicious. I will be happy to serve you again. Come back soon. Thanks for your attention.